Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to show followers on your Facebook profile. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go to the right upper hand icon. We can go here to menu and then we can go and click on settings. And then what we need to do is we need to scroll down and click on how people find and contact you. Then what we can do is we can click on who can send you friend requests. You can click friends of friends and then go back. We'll have to go back and then we need to go to followers and public content. We can click on that and we need to put this everything on public, right? So that, anyone can follow us, put this everything on public this, everyone click here. And once you do this, we can go back to our profile, which is going to be here. We're going to back tap on our profile. And now if we go to three dots, if we go view as, we'll see that we have the follow button available right here. Now we can go and we can click on edit profile here. And right now we can go to details, click add, and we can scroll down and we can click follow by one person. And this will show on our profile, right? Now keep in mind, you need to have at least one follower to do this. So if you don't have any followers, then you won't be able to do this. Then you click save. And if we go right now on our profile, we can see that we have again follow button and it will say that we have one follower right here. So this is basically how to show followers on your Facebook profile in 2022.